On 7th December 2020, a function was organized by the KSU Central Body at Malki Shillong to commemorate the 26th death anniversary of former KSU President Bull Longjop Lingdaw. During the function, current president of the students' body, Lambok Marngar, spoke about the effort of the former student leader in fighting for the cause of Hinyotrep people of the state.
Mantap hakajingat nanti jauh KSU pansakri ya kari bekerja penriu berkuai hakabaat penriu senam mensua ni semua unang yalam barat ba jauh KSU ulah kabrit lu jauh ikhmat bat lalin nyok nasla jauh partai mereka pun kenal yang ya kuai kentian kebong kirim seluruh kim cuyap kikam jauh KKM bat kia kirim periu nak kuai kepateng syakuai pat kepateng badai kita kikam kibau ni somla ulah persang hakapur bananglong kumlilam jo KSU taka jengkit kli da jengsit hem bani syakmat banyada banyile persak kamtam ya kibor kibana sabar kia persang ban klun jubor ya kaban long kini jubor ya kendau ko siap kamtam hartu kupor kadan kacing persang berkini jubor wat ya kesensyar kadar kapelang pat ikisamna bantrum di tekirae radam ban hawangi persang ban pule manti banyak ya kesturi membau ni somla dan long mengilam joki isu masa benong kalong kalenti kebajuat kalong kalenti kebakuru koram hanggai habang ini syakmat ban syakri ya keri bekejat pendai blokwai kam tam di mengilam joki isu hakeleng jong periu terap masa benong ngihap balong kita kinong len ladi na kabatan keban sakha sebelum kecing tunjuk sebelum kecing ngihap banjat lembah hari bentuk bak kita kecing penterha kita kecing ibang ya kendu habang ya nanti pacakri kari berjat pendriu kilong kimo pun bat kinong ay mensim na kawai kasngi syakawai pat kasngi.
While speaking at the function, former member of the KSU, Professor Malcolm Taryang, said that the late president of the union, Bull N. Lingdaw, had been a dedicated leader who had sacrificed both body and soul in his fight for the rights of the indigenous people of the state. He also recalled earlier days how he and late Bull Lingdaw had suffered due to false allegations by the government, but despite such situations, quitting their fight was never the way out.
Namar habang isimti gini kakam, ni haban sutuk away bahaban IT. Imla balik banong sinistay bahaw ngilale akumta ngilale akumta. Ladai ba sutuk lupa bahabang isimti gini kakam, kajing IT kadon hakmado. Bat kata kadi kaway kabong babul upani nuksa yung ibaro. Hakapor ba ibabul ilong ujan sekati jong kaseng KSU. Bat hadin ilong kumu presiden jong kaseng kawai kaba ngelawan ong bahaki sa ki mati jungi haduk ani kesengi pementan kadai kajing IT met ban mensim ban penklanya ke KSU ban penrung ya gani kajing jong kajat benrir hakitiet kijau hakitiet senam kijau jungi hakawai pui ke kentoj jong ka sorselong hakawai pagway ka kentoj jong kari khasi jantiabe ejungi hausinam prapulai prapusau na kamau bengi syakem beral mut mengabad babul dendai ka ba kabalong pela kalong ba kamde halo kikis kibedi hapok ka jelam ngalia yo babul ki lakit sya kilamut bangkit sa tura di nomor bi istomno di pensong li apo sa no sipor apo civil hospital under arrest of course yang apat kilam no sego hati hadin ki mo banyalam senogong tama yo opil no de hatu ko por ba ngesko ni tipi gini namar ko wi jingja apla ba Yengi la pengat hakikis kiba kito ba yarthama persya ya ka sarkar India. Ba hakikis kiba mo kiba isu Bharat muncong no. Di andla to la dep kita kikis kala ya kita kikis ki berhaj le jarang khat ba ha Assam no kopor kawan no kenika sarkar Assam Gana Parishad AGP diong. Dan dawan kini ke sarkar AGP kalau kabok ingi hiru bakila penkuj kila pendam no ya borok kitu kikis kibala Bharat ini.
To commemorate the death anniversary of former KSU leader, the central body of the KSU had earlier organized a poetry writing competition wherein the prize distribution ceremony was held during the function today.